Okay, so here's that video we were going to watch.
Understanding of plate tectonics has given scientists new insights into the changing face of our planet. A dynamic example of some of those changes can be seen here on the California coastline, where two of the Earth's largest plates, the Pacific and the North American, collide.
There's a number of results, but one, we get volcanoes where the plates are subducted back into the Earth.
Really?
Yeah, Scripps.
These volcanoes happen because the plate that gets subducted
releases
water. And this water lowers the melting temperature of the overriding plate and makes it easier. And we get volcanism.
So that's where you get Mount Whitney, Mount Shasta.
Things like this, absolutely. The Andes are a perfect example of these type of volcanoes. Other places you get the mid-ocean ridges. You get pieces of the seafloor that are 1 to 2 kilometers higher than the surrounding seafloor. These are underwater volcanic chains that stretch the length of these ocean basins. Other places you get large strike-slip faults.
So what's a strike-slip fault?
A strike-slip is when the plates move by one another, okay? And they don't do it without kinks and twists. And so where the kinks and twists are, there can be places that lock.
Yeah.
And then they release, and they release quickly with a lot of energy or momentum.
Tipping over buildings and so on.
Causing a lot of shaking, yes.
But without earthquakes, you never would have found all this stuff, right?
Earthquakes are really important because they've allowed us to define the plate geometries. They've allowed us to define the boundaries.
So what about volcanoes?
Before volcanoes light off, a lot of times there's pre-eruption seismic activity.
Shaking.
Yes, yes. As the magma ascends to the surface, it causes stress, and the stress is released.
Do you see evidence of plate tectonics right here?
Yes. What we're looking at in the sea cliffs, these were deposited, these sediments were deposited 500 meters below the sea level, and they've been uplifted.
All right, you guys, pay attention.
So here, we're looking at plate tectonics in our own backyard.